A very good morning to all of you. So, children, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine and in the best of your health. So, right now, you people are not coming to school, you all are at home. Online classes are going on. So, children, please complete all your work. Pay attention to your studies. Whatever notes you have at home, start learning them. Okay, so whenever the school reopens, you are thorough with whatever has been taught in the online classes. So in the last EVS class, we discussed about balanced diet and we discussed about various food components also. Today we'll discuss about deficiency diseases. So have you ever thought what happens if we don't take a balanced diet? Now, if we don't take a balanced diet, our body will lack in some or the other nutrients. So, it is very important for us, for all of us, to take a balanced diet. So, if we talk about deficiency disease, what is disease? If we break this word disease, dis-ease, which means not at ease, which in turn means not comfortable or not well. So when we suffer from a disease, we are not well or not at ease or not comfortable at all. So disease that occur due to lack of nutrients over a long period of time are called deficiency diseases. So deficiency diseases are diseases which occur due to lack of nutrients in our diet. So, a balanced diet is extremely important for the good health of a person. Any imbalance in diet or insufficient intake of a nutrient can lead to a deficiency disease. Okay, that is why our parents and elders advise us to eat sufficient amount of green leafy vegetables, fruits, so that having these substances helps us to keep our diet balanced. And not having adequate amount of essential food on regular basis may result in deficiency diseases. So we'll discuss these diseases one by one. Deficiency diseases that occur due to lack of essential vitamins and minerals. So, in this class, we'll talk about deficiency which are caused due to various vitamins, deficiency of various vitamins and minerals. So, night blindness. So, night blindness is caused due to lack of vitamin A in our diet. So, what are the symptoms of night blindness? Difficulty to see in dim light, triangular patches on eyes, and eyes become dull. So, a person suffering from night blindness finds it difficult to see in dim light. The eyes become dull, triangular patches appear on the white portion of the eye, and skin becomes dull and scaly. So, how to cure night blindness? If we take a diet rich in vitamin A, we can overcome night blindness. A diet rich in carrots, papaya, mango, green leafy vegetable, milk will help to prevent this disease. Especially those red and orange colored vegetables are a very good source of vitamin A. Now, beriberi. Lack of vitamin B in our diet can cause beriberi. So, what are the symptoms of beriberi? The symptoms are numbness in hand and feet, loss of appetite and weight, and it also affects our nerves and muscles of the body. And what are the sources of vitamin B? Cereals, meat, fish, nuts, green leafy vegetables are very good sources of beriberi. Now, scurvy. Lack of vitamin C in our diet causes scurvy. Swelling. The symptoms of scurvy are swelling and bleeding of gums and loss of teeth also. So, sources of vitamin C are oranges, lemons, amla, tomato. They are a very good source of vitamin C. So, to overcome this disease, we have to take a diet which is rich in vitamin C. Now, rickets. Lack of vitamin D causes rickets. And what are the symptoms of it? In rickets, bones become soft and it can break easily. In children, the legs become bow shaped. So you can see this is the normal leg and see the legs here suffering from rickets. It has become bow shaped. Okay. And how can we overcome this? If we eat a diet which is rich in vitamin D, we can overcome this disease. And one more thing, children, sunlight is a very good source of vitamin D. Our body also manufactures vitamin D when sunlight falls on our skin. So, sunlight is a very good source of vitamin D. Along with that, if you eat mushrooms, egg yolk, fish liver oils, and milk products, we can overcome this disease. Now, anemia. Anemia is a disease which is caused due to lack of iron in food. So, iron is a mineral. Okay, so it decreases the level of hemoglobin in the body. So the level of hemoglobin, if you are suffering from anemia, if a person is suffering from anemia, the level of hemoglobin goes down. Now, what are the symptoms of anemia? Loss of appetite, tiredness. These are generally the symptoms of anemia. If you see an anemic person, you will see that that person is pale, and that person, it he gets or she gets tired very easily. They have puffy eyes. Okay, so these are the symptoms of anemia. Now, sources: green leafy vegetables, beetroot, spinach, apples are very good source of iron. And a diet rich in green leafy vegetables should be taken regularly to prevent anemia. So, an anemic person should eat lots and lots of green and leafy vegetables. Okay. Now, goiter. Lack of mineral called iodine in diet causes goiter. Symptoms: swelling in neck. Okay, so when a person is suffering from goiter, the neck region swells up. And sources of iodine is iodine salt, the common salt which we take at home. Now, what is obesity? Obesity is a condition when a person accumulates too much of fat. It is caused due to overeating and eating lots and lots of junk food. So, you can see obese people, fat people. How do they become obese? Because they overeat or they eat lots and lots of junk food and don't exercise. So we should not overeat. In fact, we should eat a very balanced diet and do lots and lots of exercises. Thank you and have a nice day.